What's up guys, Brian with SoCo Customs. We're doing another build highlight today. This is on a 2016 Chevy Colorado that we sent up on a leveling kit. This is a fairly simple build all about maximizing tire size. This kit is just a simple leveling kit from Rough Country. It is the extended strut so that we can retain the better than factory ride quality that you can expect from these kits. As you can see, these 285/70/17 tires filled up the wheel wells well. It required very minor trimming in the rear, but he definitely helped his case with this custom bumper. The bumper is the Vengeance from Fab Fours. These wheels are 17x8.5 with a +7 offset. They are the Fuel Recoils. They definitely look very utilitarian, very off-road, and definitely fits with this build. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Thumbs up, subscribe, ask any questions about this kit in the comment section below. Cheers guys.